AI has been integrated into almost every aspect of modern life, from algorithms and streaming services to commonplace apps like Microsoft Teams to widely used platforms such as Google, Twitter, and Instagram. While making our lives easier in some respects, it's not without risks that we are only just starting to navigate. If you want to take the right steps to integrate AI technology safely, join us on our upcoming workshop where we will guide you through an AI system impact assessment, which will help you effectively assess the potential risks and benefits of utilizing AI technology, all in alignment with ISO 42001, the best practice standard for AI management. During this workshop, we will cover: what is AI? What is AI governance? What is ISO 42001 AI management? What are the benefits of implementing ISO 42001? A guided tour of how to complete an AI system impact assessment. And get the chance to ask our ISO 42001 guru any questions during the live Q&A. Places are limited, so don't miss out. Join us on the 5th of December at 2 p.m. GMT. We look forward to seeing you there.